Okay, so how have you been? How are you today?
I'm very fine, ma'am. And how are you?
Yes, I am doing well. You are getting fine. Why? Anything happened to you?
No, ma'am. Nothing happened.
Okay, so how is your day so far?
My day was very good, ma'am. I just arrived from school.
My day is going well. Was no, still day is there, so my day is going well.
My day is going well, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So anything you want to ask me before we proceed with the session document?
I think, ma'am, we can move forward.
Okay, so the topic is cinema. Okay, so what is cinema? What do you think about it?
Like cinema is like that when where we go to watch movie.
Yeah, movie theater.
Ma'am, do you like watching movie?
Yes, I do like. How about you?
No, ma'am, I don't like watching movie.
Why?
I'm right now small.
Okay. So what do you like to watch?
Cartoons, but I don't have a TV.
Okay. So how do you watch?
I don't watch, ma'am, cartoon now.
Okay.
First, I used to watch.
Okay. I see. So at this moment, what do you watch? Like from your phone or from your laptop, what do you watch?
Like when English, when they talk to each other,
Okay.
like what?
English conversation videos?
Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, do you also watch English conversation?
Yes, sometimes I do watch.
Okay.
Okay.
So ma'am,
Yeah.
what were you saying, ma'am,
Yeah,
right
you
now?
you first. Then I will say. Yeah, please continue.
Like when you go to
Continue. Yeah. Hmm.
like which kind of movie you like to watch, ma'am? That was asking.
Okay. I like horror movies. I like action and thriller movies, crime related, suspense, horror, and comedy. Comedy is at last. Yeah, first is horror, second is suspense, thriller, something reality based, not any fake, no, not fiction, non fiction.
Okay, so you like those movies?
Yeah, reality based. What about you?
Ma'am, I don't watch movie, but English conversation when they have when they meet new people and ask directions. Like, I want to go here, I want to go there. Like, I want to go to the restaurant. Can you please tell me the way?
Oh, those type of videos, like real life conversation videos.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I see. So you haven't watched any movie till your life?
No, ma'am, I have not even watched a single one.
Okay. All right. So do you want to
Hello,
watch?
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
There is some network issue from your end. Maybe that's why. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am, now it's okay.
Okay. So in future, what type of movie you want to watch?
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
Random. It would be, not any specific. जो मन में आए वो random. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, those which will come in my mind.
Okay. So, except conversation videos, what do you like to watch?
Because I think like I watch it because like their English is very well and they speak so good.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I like it. And then
Okay.
why do you like? And why do you like movie? Ma'am? Can you tell me?
Movie? Are you talking about movie? Okay. So if I don't watch all movies, if I like the summary of the movie, I like the story of the movie, like by watching the trailer, then only I go with the movie. I just watch.
Oh,
I go
okay,
for
ma'am.
it. Yes. And if there is any favorite actor or actress, then also I watch. Yeah. Okay. So you have
So
done
like
your
which is
actor. Okay. My favorite actor is Hrithik Roshan. I don't know whether you know or not. You don't
oh
know Hrithik Roshan? Do you know Hrithik Roshan?
no
Okay. My favorite actor is Hrithik Roshan. Then I like Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, and yeah, a lot. And actress these days I like Alia Bhatt. These days in acting perspective. Otherwise, actress Rani Mukherjee is also nice. Yeah, Priyanka Chopra. I don't know whether you
all
know them or not. You don't know, no?
no ma'am, I don't know them.
Okay. So you can search after this class. Whatever names I told, you can just search it on Google and you can just see them. How do they look? Okay. So you are not tired?
Mm, no ma'am, I'm not tired. I just arrived from home after eating my lunch. I was playing with my like I was going to play with my sister. Then I had a class, so I remembered the class. I had a class on 1:30.
At 1:30. But 1:30
At
you're
one,
1:30 you're having session with me.
I was already attending, ma'am.
Okay. So you're talking about this class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. All right. So that's good. You're not at all tired because when I used to go to school after returning from my school, oh my god, I used to be dead tired. I used to be so exhausted.
Oh, because all small kids are always tired when they come from school.
You're exception.
but in but in my school we don't do like that. But because we have so many class, game, dance, drawings,
Mhm.
Marathi, that's why everybody like those class. But the most everybody like games in my class.
So
When you were
extracurriculum activities are
young,
there.
yes,
Oh.
ma'am, there are.
Yeah, in every schools it's there. Extracurriculum activities. But still,
Like
I
when
used,
you
yes.
when you were young, so which was your favorite subject in that one? English, Marathi, there are so many.
Okay.
I
So
like
my
I.
favorite subject. Okay, my favorite subject was English and history.
Wow. Everybody think history is quite hard. Even I think it's hard.
It is hard, it is, but again, if you just understand the story and if you just, then it is, every subject is easy if you have interest.
Yes, ma'am, everybody has interest.
Hmm. Okay. So I would like to correct your two mistakes. First is eating my lunch. No, say I was having my lunch or taking my lunch. With lunch, breakfast, and dinner, we don't use eat. We use have or take. Then on 1:30, no, at.
Okay. Eat my lunch at 1:30.
No, no, eat no. Have or take. Eat is the mistake. I was having my lunch or I was taking my lunch.
I was having my lunch. I was taking my lunch.
Either,
At
anyone.
at 1:30.
Yes. So are you learning prepositions?
Preposition.
You
Yes,
have?
ma'am, I have.
Okay. So have you started learning at?
I'm going to learn, ma'am.
Oh, that's this at 1:30. This is a preposition. So maybe you will be going to learn in future.
Like beneath, between,
Okay.
below. That
Okay.
are called preposition.
Yes. But in spoken
At.
English, mostly on, in, and at are used. On, in, and at. Mostly. And there are a lot of differences are there. When you will go higher and higher, you will learn.
Okay, ma'am, I learned out in, on, at.
Yeah. Okay. So what did you have in your lunch?
I take in my lunch noodle.
Okay, noodle you had.
Yes, ma'am, I had.
Okay. So after this class, what would you like to do?
Complete my homework.
Oh wow, now only?
I haven't completed my homework.
Okay. You will complete. Then after completing your homework,
Like what will I do? I will decide and what will I do. If my father is going down, so I will go with him if he is going or not.
okay. All right. And what is your mother doing right now?
My mother right now is eating like I don't know what she's doing. Like she is washing the dish. Washing the utensils.
Or washing the dishes or doing the dishes also you can say.
Like but in school we call it washing the
Utensils.
Yes.
Yeah. But in advanced English, you can say she is doing the dishes.
Dishes.
Yeah.
Dishes. She is doing the dishes.
Yeah. That also you can say.
Okay.
On, in, and at. Right now, on is something like if I'm putting this clutcher. So clutcher is on the phone. So this is the basic one. In is something if you say like this spectacles is in the box. At is something about time, and at is also location.
At the restaurant.
Yeah.
2 o'clock. Like
Yes.
this, ma'am.
Yes. So these are the basic preposition of on, in, and at. But there are plenty in details also there of on, in, at, details also there. Right now you don't need. Right now you only need the basic.
At we need.
Yeah.
At, in, on.
Yes. These three are important. But for your school, for your exams, you need all beneath, above, below. But for spoken English, on, in, and at.
On, in, and at. Okay, ma'am, I'll use those words.
Okay. Okay then. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.